Okay, so we just hooked up the solenoid valve. It's connected to a microcontroller with a little LED screen. Right now it shows us that it's watering. You can't probably see that on the screen. This is dripping, so we want to protect it. And then it's connected to a battery source. So right now, the sensor, the moisture sensor that's connected to this microcontroller is just out in the air. So it's showing as dry, which is why it opened the valve. It's coming from a drip bucket, and it's watering the garden bed through the drip line. You can see some of the water coming out. So now we're gonna put the moisture sensor into the ground, and if it shows that it's wet enough, then it'll stop. The ground's quite wet, which is why we started with the moisture sensor out. Oh, and I just heard the valve switch off. So now the valve closed because we put it in the soil, which is currently wet. So the valve is working. Good job, Dongman.